Hello, hello. I just came from a very long day of driving from Makati to Las Piñas. It's actually been an hour because I drove in rush hour. Very bad idea. We're gonna be doing some unboxing, and this unboxing is brought to you by my pageant bestie, Jean de Jesus. She got me all of this stuff, and I'm gonna check it out. What it is, what it do, what do we have here? Because she's leaving for Canada again, and she's moving out from her condo, so she gave me some stuff. I love pre-loved stuff, honestly, because you know, it's a way for you to reuse, and instead of me buying new stuff, I get to have some of the stuff she doesn't need anymore. Thank you, Jeannie. Thank you, Jeannie. Here you go. Number one, we have an organizer. Yes, yeah. I think I need this. All of the documents I have. She got me a hairspray from Dove Style Care. It actually smells really good. Okay, I think I'm gonna be using this more. Next, it looks like underwear. Give a secondhand underwear. Oh, no, it's not. It's a one piece. Damn. This is a little too sexy for me. Jane. She told me that I would use this. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to. Look at this. I don't really wear things like this. Next, brushes. I wish she gave this to me earlier because I actually bought new brushes, but it's really good. This is a smaller brush. This is perfect. I'm gonna have this in the car. I don't have a small brush for my car. It's good too. Yes, girl. Yes. Thank you so much. Next, this thing. Oh, it's for your water. I'm gonna be able to use this too. So you put your water in it, and then you just bring it with you. Ta-da! I don't need to carry it like this with my hand. I can just put the water inside and bring it with me, like when I work out and stuff. Towels, which I'm probably gonna be using to wipe the kitchen. That's how many? 1, 2, 3. Okay, perfect. A notebook. Oh, this is cute. This notebook from, oh, this is from Miss Oriental. I think this is from when we were in Miss Earth, but I didn't get one of these. It's okay, I got one now. Paper. More paper. A bra. Okay, I need something like this. It's padded though. Girl, as if we both need padded bras. Okay, this one too. 2 bras. No need to buy no bras no more. Okay, yes. I love these type of bags. Love it. And I also got glass Tupperware, dishwasher and microwave safe. Perfect. Love it. Yes. Thank you. I feel like, you know, a child who got gifts from Tita. What is this? Calvin Klein Euphoria. Oh, this smells good too. Oh. Okay, this is a lot though. Like, this is expensive. Bougie. Next, another swimsuit. I've seen her wear this before. This is not, okay, what? Yep, okay, I'm gonna see. But yeah, this is nice, but I think it's just too big. And what do we have here? 60 SPF sunscreen. When is this going to be expired? It's been expired. Sometimes we forget to check. So I don't know, maybe I can still use this. This is Neutrogena after all. Sometimes I believe that the expiration date is not the real expiration date. It's just a way for them to ask you to buy more. So if I don't get any rashes or skin allergies from this, it's still not expired. What else do we have here? Oh, it's for your hair, so that you can dry your hair when you have no hair dryer. Oh, this is nice, from Palawan. I'm gonna keep this in the car. Last but not least, I get this gorgeous dress. I've worn this dress before, and I'm happy that I get to keep it. This is actually like one of my favorite dresses on Jean, and it's also gonna be my favorite dress on me. Thank you, Jeannie. So for all of the people who need to get rid of some of their stuff, I think number one is maybe some of your friends would like this. So why don't you just give it to them? That's number one. And number two, you can always sell your items if you have time. Jean didn't have time to sell any of this, so she just gave it away to her close friends who she feels would actually benefit from it. And number three, you can donate some of the stuff, but I don't think you can donate something like this. So she told me that she donated some of her shirts and some of her pambahays to some other people who actually really need it. As much as possible, just don't throw away things. If you can reuse it or give it to some people or even donate it to the people who really need it, go for it. So Jean, you is smart. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I actually love pre-loved stuff. Sometimes even more than new stuff. As long as it's not underwear. Bras don't count. Bras, you can... There's no secretion from bras, is there? Thank you so much, and those are a couple of tips that you can do for some of the things in your house that you don't need. So I hope you like this random vlog. Random vlogging. Unboxing.